Yes, sir. It's your boy B Hayes. We back with another one. If you can't take the pain, you don't deserve the gain. So AMC, before we get into the video, let's give this video a thumbs up. Also hit subscribe, turn on the post notifications so you'll be alerted every time we post a new video, guys. So stock market update before we get into AMC. We know Warren Buffett is offloading billions of dollars in stocks, guys. He's, reducing his exposure to the stock market. Like we always know, we don't necessarily go off of what big money, smart money is doing, but we pay attention to details when they start moving their money around, when they start doing a little, something different than out of the ordinary. So Buffett is most definitely reducing his exposure to the stock market, selling billions worth of stocks. He still owns multi-billion-dollar positions in stocks like Apple, Bank of America, and also American Express. So he's not completely just, running away or things getting that intense. But I'm just letting you guys know a lot of money is being moved out of a lot of companies. I believe, me personally, I believe a lot of money is about to be shifted over to crypto. They see exactly what's going on. They see people is waking up. People is, finding out about banks. They understanding that, banks is holding no value with your money. If you got your money just sitting in the bank, all they do is pay you a little bit of nothing while they use all your money and make moves with your money, have your money invested, go straight to the plug, basically, guys. A lot of people probably don't even know this, but if you got, I even myself had to get up out of this situation, having a lot of money just sitting in a savings account, and that money that's just sitting there, they got that money in the stock market in their brokerage. They got it sitting in Apple. They got it sitting in Uber. They got it sitting in Tesla. These banks using your money to make money while they pay you pennies on the dollar. So with that being said, just move all your money to the brokerage. Your money don't even have to be in a company when it's sitting in the brokerage. The brokerage, some brokerage will even pay you more money for your money sitting in the brokerage than that bank is paying you. And also, like I said, if you just got cash sitting in the bank, that's just like a position. Having cash sitting in a brokerage, not bank, my bad, is just like a position. If I got 10,000 just sitting there waiting on the opportunity. So you most definitely, I think a lot of money will be moved out of markets trying to go over to crypto and stake large positions, guys, because a lot of the big money, smart money they call themselves, are late to the crypto industry. They is late. That's why now big business is trying to accept crypto, to take it and flip it around on us. If they was late to the party and didn't get in early because they thought it was a scam and it was going to crash, they now know that people is naive, the poor people that got in early, because regular people like you and I got in earlier before these big businesses, these big companies, and Bitcoin and Litecoin and Sheeb and all that. So with that being said, they now is going to accept it because they know you are consumers. They know you want to buy their products, but we're going to accept the coins that you got. And people is going to be naive, and sometimes they're going to spend their coins, and their coins is going to end right back in the hands of the wealthy. Just like when stimulus checks was passed out. If they gave everybody $1 million, for instance, that same $1 million will end up, everybody will be rich for a moment, but after 5 months, 3 months, 2 months, 6 months to a year, everybody will be back broke that don't know how to manage money well. Usually the people that was already poor, and all that money, the $1 million that everybody got, will be right back into the billionaires' pockets, the millionaires' pocket, the people that know how to manage money correctly. So you already know, guys, be up on game on this stuff. Don't just have your money sitting in the bank, wasting value and all that good stuff. Have that money working somewhere, and don't put it in high risk investments. Put it in something with a solid foundation that like, you almost know a 90% fact that this is going to go up in value over time. Same thing if you just put your money in the S&P 500, put it in the stock market and the index fund. Over time, the past 30 years, the stock market has performed 10%, has grown 10% each year, year over year. So come on now, make it make sense. But anyways, let's go ahead and get into AMC, guys. AMC ended Friday at $41.09, up over 1%. Solid day overall, even though we didn't get over short-term resistance at 41.50. We got rejected at 41.38. But like I said, guys, nobody knows the day, the hour, the time, the month, or nothing when AMC is going to pop. Our best bet is to continue to do what we're doing, hold our position. And that's not telling anyone to hold in particular. I'm just saying what we would need to do in order to succeed, guys, because they got to continue to, pay interest on the shares that they borrowing. So we is looking solid for next week, being for the fact that, I'm happy that we stayed above 40. We cracked it just to hear which we was prepared for to come down to the high 30s once they try to the droppers, and they did. So we came down to the high 30s, and we quickly got back to that support at 40 where we belong at, guys. So you already know. That's all I got for this video. Just want to give y'all a quick update on AMC and the stock market as a whole, and what people is about to shift and move their money to. So consider joining the family. We post over here every single day. I love y'all. Add me on Instagram. We out, and God bless you.